Hello guys, how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here. Today we got Audi TT Mark 3 2015 model, and today we're dealing with quite a common issue on them, which is number plate lights not working and also the switch to open the boot not working as well. I got a brand new genuine part here, which is what I definitely recommend getting. I'm going to put the link in the description below for you. So this is Volkswagen part, which is Audi, same thing. So I'm going to show you today how to replace it, how to remove the old one, and I'm also going to show you what's the main cause of it failing, because the water gets in there basically and damages all the contacts and they just fail completely, and the plug as well. So if that's something you're interested in, tune in and let's get started. Right guys, as you can see, for some reason my one, before I bought the car, someone already took the covers off. They're the ones that hold the bit in there, so they're two covers, and all you have to do is get a hook tool or plastic trim tool and pop them off first, as you can see. So they're that point, and when it's like this, ideally you should squeeze the tabs in to pull it off, but usually it does come off once the cover is off. You just get the tool under it and that will pop out like that, and then you got a plug. They just pull out of it, and as you can see there's a little bit of corrosion in there, hence why I got my electrical cleaner and a little brush to clean it off before we connect the new one in there. But if you have a look here now, so as you can see, someone already tried doing some in here, so that's been covered in water. There's quite a bit, so they damaged the contacts, burned them all. And the same if you look at the board behind the cover, it's completely covered in water. The plug is covered in water, and this one's dead because it corroded as well. So hence why this doesn't work. We need it to look like this. So I'm just going to quickly clean the contacts on the plug, and then we'll plug it in, and I'll show you obviously how to reassemble the whole thing. Okay, so I cleaned the plug with a bit of a brush and a contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner. I'm going to put them in the description below as well. Get links for them. I definitely recommend doing this, because if not, it's not going to work anyway. Right, so just plug it in. You can only plug it in one way, and obviously once you plugged it in, make sure you put it in correctly, it will clip in. There you go, nice and flat. And then push the covers in. They go in the middle. Clip them in. Right guys, so just turn the ignition on. As you can see, the LED lights are working, so that's all fine. The other thing I need to check obviously if the actual switch working to open the boot. There you go, that's perfect. So as you can see, all the connections are clear, the lights are working, the error message should be off the dash now as well, and that's pretty much job done. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Like I said, links will be in the description below. Have a good day, see you later.